Hi everyone, I'm Dhananjay and I have built ChainCo. So ChainCo is a permissionless, composable and confidential protocol uh, which helps in owning, uh, digitizing and storing secure and supreme documents, which also helps the user upskill himself in the right direction by leveraging generative AI on the Web3 data, and this is completely cross-chain support via our ChainFlip SDK and the confidentiality layer provided by the Inco network. So the user just has to connect his wallet. He can see all of the credentials that he owns, that this wallet address owns. So all of the credentials would be listed down here. So you see, he's more proficient in Java. He has certificates in it. Only the whitelisted organizations can issue a credential to my wallet address. So he just has to enter his whitelisted password. He just has to enter the CSV file, and he just has to enter an image for the certificate and then mint all of the NFTs. The main feature that we have is swapping tokens, which is powered by ChainFlip SDK. So this provides very low slippage costs for uh, native tokens swapping. So I can just swap 10 USDC. So I can click on estimate an amount. This would actually estimate an amount and it would also give me the deposit address that I can send my 10 USDC to. So the user just has to click on his MetaMask and just transfer the 10 USDC. So I'll just do that here. So, and I'll transfer 10 USDC. So once this is deposited, the channel status would change eventually. This takes around 2 minutes, around 2 minutes to get processed, and the amount estimated amount would be a Sepolia ETH because uh, we believe in EVM compatible chains as of now, but we also believe that you can easily swap your other native assets to Ethereum native tokens. So I'll just check the status on the block explorer of Chainflip test network, which is perseverance. So I'll just refresh it. So you can see it is in progress. Once it's completed, all of the amount would be directly transferred to the user's wallet address. This is again self-custody platform. The most important feature that we have is the jobs index. So reputation score is often only kept private for users. We don't want anyone to have a look at other users' reputation score. So this is a private thing that we have to cater to. So that's why we've used the Inco generated testnet. So what we do is our smart contracts encrypts the data as a it takes in the parameter of uint32 and converts it to an encrypted uint32, and we decrypt it off chain using the FHEVMJS library. So why do we do that? Is because we wanted the reputation score, which is an integer value, uh, to be more secure, to be encrypted and to be confidential only to the user that has connected his wallet and no one else. So let me just show you the use. So once we come on this page, the user just has to connect his wallet, and a reputation score based on the credentials that the user earns is calculated. So this has to be uh, kept confidential to the user and everyone who is connected to our uh, decentralized application. So the next important unique selling point that we have is our jobs demand index, jobs available. So what it does is we have an AI agent that scrapes the internet and that tells us the current job market trend. So what it does is scrapes the internet, looks at all your credentials and finds which skills match up your job. So now if I go, I know that Python is the most preferred language right now in the market because it has more jobs available. So what I'll do is I'll upskill myself, and whitelisted organization would send me a soulbound token for Python. So our credentials are have a additional layer of security because we issue soulbound tokens. These are owned tokens and acts as an identity token because they cannot be transferred further once they are minted to your address. So whitelisted organization mints soulbound tokens to your address directly, and they mint it in a digitized way. So they also upload a certificate which has been parsed by our front end. So this was our project. Thank you.